Guys, we got a fun one going on today. We got a 2019 F250. So today we're doing an 8-inch Stryker lift kit, doing 4-link center cradle and traction bars. Gonna do some Fox shocks with it. Got everything laid out, front of the truck's jacked up. About to get this thing tore apart and get it lifted. All right, guys, so what we've done so far is we have torn the front end apart, all of the old lift kit parts off except for the shocks. Those are gonna be next. Went ahead and threw on our radius arm drop brackets right here. This is also gonna be our 4-link conversion, and installed our upper control arms. So next step is lower control arms, and we will get this thing ready to put some springs and shocks in it.
We are on the last few steps. Jake's gonna get it at ride height and make sure everything's torqued to spec, make sure everything is measured out correctly so this bad boy can make it up to Smoky Mountain Truck Fest.
What's going on, you guys? We got the new Stryker build here. It's a 2019 F250 with an 8-inch Stryker kit, 4-link kit. We got some Fox shocks on it, Fox Dual Steering Stabilizer, and it was built by yours truly, Farmer Jake. We also got it sitting on some 28x16 American Force wheels. We got this Stryker lift kit powder coated in Illusion Violet. It looks really good. It's a pretty popular color. See it on a lot of lift kits around here.